VisualParadigm's Doc Composer can let you output the change history of your models into document. Here is our project, with some changes made in couple of revisions. To output the change history, go to Tools, Doc Composer. Select Build Doc from scratch. Select the project root node in Diagram Navigator or Model Explorer. Then drag out the Revision Differences Model Elements template into Document Editor. Specify the reporting scope, let's say from Revision 3. The change history of this project, starting from Revision 3 to latest revision, are being reported. As you can see, it involved changes for multiple model types, including task, actor, use case, and lane. What if we want the report focus on specific model type? We can modify the default Revision Differences template to achieve this. We first remove the generated content from the document by right-click on it and select Delete. Right-click on the Revision Differences Model Elements template and select Duplicate. Name the new template as Revision Differences for specific model types. Go to line 56 and add the Conditions node. Specify OR as the condition type. Add the Value Checker node within the conditions. Specify a check on the Value Model Type property with equals as operator, and the matching value is BP task. Press Ctrl S to save the change, then press OK to close the dialog. Drag the newly created template into Document, and specify the same reporting scope as we previously did. Now it only report the changes on the business process tasks within the selected revision scope. We can also customize the conditions to filter multiple model types. Right-click on the template and select Edit. Add a new value checker. This time, the matching value is use case. Save the change and refresh the document. Now it reports changes on both business process tasks and use cases. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.